I am super excited to bring you another Spoolies tutorial for the people who may be confused by the rollers, and this video is sponsored by Amalise. The first product that you're seeing right here is their Mango Mousse Hydrating Body Butter with castor oil and aloe gel. Has nothing to do with hair, but it's great for eczema and itchy skin, so I'll give you guys an update on that later. But let's get into this hair. This is 5 days after straightening or attempting to straighten my hair with the InStyler Airless Blowout. There are so many types of InStyler names, I get confused sometimes. But yes, this is what my hair is looking like. I will update you guys on what happened after I washed it, and I will give you a full detangling routine along with that video. So I am clipping my hair up right now so that I can know where I started and where I am heading. And the first product that I'm using is the MOROCCAN Mist Revitalizing Hair Moisturizer. It is literally like water, but you can smell the product and it smells great. It's made with Moroccan argan oil, and it has aloe gel, rose water, jojoba oil to keep your hair looking supple, moisturized, hydrated. And also, you guys know I love a lightweight leave-in conditioner, spray. Those products are like my favorite products because they set me up for perfect curls. They set me up for a good hair day. Whatever I'm doing, that's the setup. And I also like combining those types of products with an oil. This time it's the castor oil, 100% Haitian castor oil. And castor oil, we use it in Zambia traditionally, and it's just one of those oils that's near and dear to my heart. It's great for your scalp, great for your skin, so you are gonna have a happy hair day. I'm applying it throughout, and I'm making sure I work it all the way in. It is a bit thick, so it might take a while. And what you want to do is put your hair in a bantu knot so that it can be stretched out. And I am going to move along to the next section and go around my entire head. So the Moisture Mist Castor Oil combination, perfect combination to set me up for curls. I need my hair to be a little bit kinky, a little bit wet, and a little bit stretchy so I can really work those curls in and get some amazing results. And when you apply product, especially this type of product, the lightweight mist, as well as the castor oil, they're great for your scalp. So definitely take advantage and apply some to your scalp so that you can have a happy, balanced scalp. I tend to itch, so I'm always putting something on my scalp that's going to help me out, especially in between washes. By day 3, I'm really itchy. And here are my spoolies. They come in a bag, which I think is super cute. These are the jumbo spoolies. I do have the smaller ones as well, so if you want me to do a video with those, I can. And it basically has a flat bottom and a cone on top. I have a detailed video where I go over the anatomy, but all you do is close that cone, flap it over, and it has a UFO shape. That's how it secures. So let me show you how it works. And I'm taking out my first section. I'm gonna comb my hair out. And I am going to go in small sections, but I recommend that you get product and put it on the entire section first, then curl your hair in the smaller sections so that you save time. The product that I'm using to curl my hair is the SHEA SOUFFLÉ Nourishing Hair Cream. It has shea butter, jojoba, vitamins, and it's great to promote hair growth and shine, allegedly. I will find out over time as I continue to use the product. But it leaves your hair looking moisturized and healthy, which is true because my curls were looking juicy. You will see at the end of this video. So I'm applying a little bit right there on my hair. Again, make sure you apply on a larger section first. It just makes it so much easier when you do your hair, and it will go by so much faster. Because putting product on each individual section, that's gonna take a lot of time, especially if you use a lot of rollers like I do. And I'm rolling starting at the flat bottom and I'm working my way up to the cone so that by the time I get to the cone, my hair is finished, and then I close the roller. And you have this spaceship UFO with vents, and the vents are supposed to help your hair dry while it's in there, you know, and not get moldy or stagnant. But I am applying some more product here and rolling my hair. Again, do it on a larger section, then roll your hair. And usually I use edge control. I'm gonna show you guys real quick. This section is a little bit too big, so I'm gonna take some hair out and continue rolling. This is something that you'll get used to over time with the spoolies. If the section is too big, it will pop open, but if you're used to using spoolies, you kind of have a feel for how much is too much hair. So I was able to actually determine that it was way too much when I started rolling, as opposed to after it refused to close. Like, I didn't have to get to that point. You will get used to it, trust me, you will know after a while. But yeah, a small amount of product is very important as well, because you need your hair to dry. So these are like my two biggest tips as far as roller sets. Any kind of roller I use several rollers, at least 40, and I always use a small amount of product so that my hair dries completely overnight, because I am not going to be sitting with rollers in my hair for 3 or 4 days. So I am putting my last one in here. There are several ways to use spoolies, by the way. And one thing that I've noticed with other YouTubers, because I've been binge watching the videos since spoolies are popular again, is that people have trouble with the spoolies coming out on their own, which will happen every once in a while. So just cover your hair with a fishnet and that's it. They will stay in place. And this is me the next day. I have jumbo blue and the purple galaxy rollers in my hair. And I am going to go ahead and take my little fishnet off my head and remove my rollers as well. There will always be that one roller that is overzealous, you guys. I'm not kidding. And I will show you. That purple one right there was just ready to come out, okay? It was like, no fishnet formed against me will prosper. And it was like, I'm coming out. So I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, and I feel like I did a fantastic job. You will see, and you will get to decide for yourselves. I was actually very impressed with the way the curls turned out, because you guys know I've been singing the song of Mousse and how perfect it is as a product, but I didn't use any mousse in this tutorial. So when I saw my results, I was like, wow, this is amazing, which is a good thing, because we naturals, especially YouTubers, we tend to use a lot of products, like a lot, 8 products or so, and it's just unnecessary sometimes. So I feel like every once in a while doing a tutorial and showing you guys you can get the results that you want with few products is a good thing. Also, you see that opening at the bottom right there? Put your finger there, put your finger on top, the other one, and pull out. Literally, that's all you have to do to take your spoolies out. I've noticed some YouTubers will open them and take them out that way. You don't have to do that. That takes too much time, and then you're gonna have to pack them, and that takes too much space if you don't close them again, okay? So take them out while they're still closed. They will come out if they're dry, and put them in the bag so that you don't have to deal with them again until it's time to deal with them again. Literally, you do not have to do too much work. You know, work smart, not hard. So I am really loving how these curls are just unraveling and turning out. It's just amazing. I love this. I absolutely love this. Still, it's been, I don't know, you guys, I think it's been about 4 years since I first tried spoolies, and I'm still loving them. This is the last one. We have juicy, moisturized looking, hydrated looking curls, and I am thankful for this. So what I'm going to do is just brag a little bit and show you guys my hair, separate it a little bit, and we're gonna talk some more. So let's get close, like really close to the front. There we go. This is what we're looking like up close, you guys. These are some pretty juicy curls. And I'm just thankful that it's hot because in the winter sometimes it's hit or miss with curls. And they just look amazing. I know I started with my hair straightened or stretched out, and some people do not actually straighten or stretch their hair, so I will link some old tutorials so that you can see the start to finish from washing to curling for those of you who would rather do it on your 100% kinky hair and see the results from there. But I am separating in two. I don't separate more than once because what happens is my hair tends to get frizzy and I don't want to risk that. Also, I did use 57 rollers this time, and I usually range between 50 and 60 anyway with the jumbo ones. I go up to about 70 with the smaller ones, but these usually 50 to 60. Most rollers I'm in the 40 to 60 range, period. Please don't crucify me, you guys. This is literally like my everyday hair. I always love putting my hair up in a puff because hair in my face makes me break out, and I just like my face to be visible at all times. And this is what we're looking like, you guys. I am loving these curls. I am loving how these products just came together and made some magic. Everything just worked out perfectly and I'm really happy right now. And I did play with my hair a little bit too much on this day, and I did remove the ponytail later on. So this is, I don't know how long after, but yeah, I took it out so I could see it down. It's got a little bit more volume, so yes, you can wear your hair down. Alright, you guys, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching. As always, if you want to get your hands on these Amalise products, definitely check out the description box. I have a link down there, and you know you're gonna see these products again because that's what I do. I repeat products. So subscribe if you haven't already. I'll talk to you guys in my next video, but until then, take care.